This video is going to be a mock review for the 4 mocks you see here, and it will cover for the whole week because I will not be able to upload for most of the week. So let's go ahead and start off with the smallest thing and work our way to the biggest thing. So we're gonna go ahead and pull a few things off screen that we don't need for the smallest thing, and you already know what it's gonna be, I think. This tiny octane energy truck. Not much that it has. It just has a small antenna, a tank, and a couple lights, and it is nowhere near minifig scale cab. But it does look pretty realistic, like the airport type of tank trucks that you see around there. So let's go ahead and pull this off and move on to the next thing. Which is a little bigger, still not the biggest of all of these, but it's this little police ATV and trailer work light. Pretty cool. We have our trailer, which can connect to any trailer hitch, and it has 2 lights that can rotate on hinges. It has a prop for when it's off the fire ATV, and here's the ATV itself. It comes with a cone and a loudspeaker. It's almost minifig scale, still not quite minifig scale. And it has a opening trunk door, opening and closing trunk, and you can just put the loudspeaker and cone into the trunk of it, and my light post fell over there. Let me go ahead and show you this thing, this light post with it off the truck. Just wait a sec. So that is what it looks like at the bottom with the thing off, and there's no truck at all. You just clip it onto the little bar at the trailer hitch and it props it up perfectly. So go ahead and get rid of that and move on to the biggest, grandest thing that we have here today. The crane truck. This is huge compared to the size of the rest of these mocks. It has a minifig scale cab. You can see my minifigure in there with the steering wheel. It has a crane that has 4 levers in it, 2 for the main crane and 2 for this little mini crane right there. Here's your main lever system. It has supports in the back that you can fold up and down, and a fully working winch system. And it has a opening bucket. It has a couple smokestacks here and a chest for the wheel chucks that it comes with, which are right here. 2 wheel chucks that you can place under the wheels. And you can just go ahead and put those under the front wheels. Let me see if I can get that. There we go. One under the other wheel, and the landing gear in the back. And the crane slide back and forth along the whole truck pretty easily. The cabin can open up and allow you to get a minifigure in there. Also, the roof comes off of the front pretty easily, but it's not meant to do that. And I'll show you the driver more closely. Here is the driver. Here's the driver figure. He has a sailboat on his shirt apparently. So rate, comment, subscribe, and I will take thumbs down and try to improve the videos. That is always welcome on this channel. If I get that, I will always improve these videos. And thank you for watching. And I will end off the video with a still picture of all the mocs. Once I get them back in position. Oh, and these gates come with the truck too, and you can block it off however you want. So, once again, rate, comment, subscribe, and if you like these mocs, then please tell me that you appreciate them, and let me know in the comment section below. Rate, comment, subscribe once again, and goodbye.